Hello everyone, I am Golden Ashwini. I am here to present centralization and decentralization. Okay. Centralization of authority in few hands. Actually, centralization is concentrated with concentration of authority in few hands at the top level. That is centralized. Yes, so centralization taking place in a top level management. Okay, simply we can say one boss is instructed to all the subordinate. That's we consider as centralization. Upper level is giving the instruction to the other levels of management. Is the centralization. Okay, also power of taking decision lies with the top level. They will take the decision, and below levels of management will be only following the instruction, not authority. That is called centralization. Okay. So decentralization is the direct opposite of the centralization. Actually it is evenly distribute the power of every levels of management. So we know three levels of management: top level management, middle level management, and lower level management. In top level only they can make a decision, and rules and regulations, planning, everything is done in the top level management. That is called centralization. In decentralization, the power will be distributed in every level in equal manner. That is called decentralization. Okay. Then whenever we talking about the centralization and decentralization, we have some questions, right? Should the company with the fully centralized or decentralized? How will can we decide whether the organization should fully centralized or decentralized? We have to there is some important that have to be focused on before deciding whether we need to go to centralized or decentralized management. What are the you need to focus on the nature of the size of the organization. Okay, can I understand what does that mean? Means how small the organization is, how large the organization is. It is a smaller, in then centralization will work, right? If the one boss and for example, for a small company having a 3 employee, one boss, in that reason we need some the decentralization is not required, because we have some small one boss and 3 employee, we can use the centralization. Okay, in a smaller institution or company, the centralization will work. In large organization with a small with so many employees, that time decision will decentralization will work. You have to say and before using the decentralization, you have to analyze the employee can work efficiently, and he can work very competent manner. Because we in decentralization, we are equally divide our authority to that people. Okay, so we have to see the employees efficiency as well as the competence. Okay. This is called decentralization, because evenly they distribute their authority. There should be centralization of centralization. In some organization, we can use in a top level. We know the 3 level management. In top level only, they can maybe they can use centralization, because one boss maybe 3 or 4 subordinate will have in a top level management. So in top level management, centralization is required, but in lower level management, we know so many subordinates and supervisors are there. So in that reason, based on the goal, based on the task, we can divide our power authority in a lower level management. Well, that is centralization and decentralization. Thank you.